It's got a commercial building. I don't know exactly if that's a liability or an investment. I guess when we come back, time will tell us.
Let's go see what the commercial building looks like.
You want to crawl through the hole?
We're in.
Hopefully you don't get ate.
Tons of stuff up here. Just more junk. Old cash register. It's kind of neat. This has been wet. This is a lot.
Everything's wet. Which doesn't surprise me. There's no gutters. Bongos. Bongos? That's a pocket sax. So this is a walk-in cooler. This is cool. Fine, cool.
I mean, Megan Fox.
This is actually a pretty nice sink. None of this is wet.
I think it's the carpet. It's holding moisture. Battery, daddy.
Air bubble. What are all those discs? Those all sanding discs?
No, it's ribbon for your hair. Yeah, this is a mess. I think we just get a dumpster over here, close our eyes, and start filling.
Maybe we can give away some of this flower shop stuff. I'd like to see somebody be able to use it.
Is this the top to a casket? That's the top to a casket. That's 100% the top to a casket.
Oh, dude. Probably is. The flower shops sell caskets? Well, I just took a turn. Don't say I never gave nothing to you. This whole project's at risk. And this is the definition of something different for us.
Definition of fun is also different.
It's okay to challenge yourself. At the end of the day, I don't think we've taken a huge risk here. I want people to have confidence when they buy our houses. That costs us a lot of money, unfortunately, to do the things that other people aren't going to do. So
I'm excited for what this one will be, but it's gonna be a while.
yeah, this one's going to be a while. 4 months and we'll be done. That's our goal. Maybe we'll do another one here next month and just showcase everything cleaned out and how much different it looks. Actually, if we were to actually come in here and demo everything on both these and do another video, it'd look like a whole different place.
Yeah.
So I'm excited. We got to get some locks changed so we don't have to break in every time we come here.
Well, the last house, we have an idea and can start on it immediately. This one, you almost have to get it cleaned out and taken care of before we can even get started.
Thank you guys for following along. Like, subscribe, follow us on this journey and our other ones and all the other random stuff we have going on.
Check out the podcast. This one, we're keeping receipts on.